Hello everyone, welcome back to Push Network Academy. My name is Bindeshwar and today we are going to dive into an important concept, calculating a continuous frequency distribution variance. So if you are a student struggling with this topic or just looking for a refresher, you are in the right place. So let's get started. But before starting, you can visit my website, YouTube channel, Facebook page and LinkedIn page. Now first, let us take a quick look at the frequency distribution table. This is a typical continuous frequency distribution where we have the following columns: 0 to 15 having frequency 12, 15 to 30 having frequency 18. Now see the mid values. So for the first one, a mid value would be 7.5. Second row mid value would be 22.5. Another 37.5 and so on. Thereafter, we will calculate UI, which is the observations minus assumed mean upon class interval width. So assumed mean is 67.5 and width is 15. So in first row you will get minus 4, second row minus 3, minus 2, 1, that is minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Thereafter we will require multiplication of frequency into UI. So see that what will we get? Now we will require summation of Fi into Ui for the computation of variance. So we have calculated, that is minus 105. Now in the next column you will see that there is a Ui square. So you will square all values of Ui and you will get this one: 16, 9, 4, 1 and 0. Now again you will require Fi into Ui square. So let us see that the value 192, 162 and so on. Now we will also require summation of all Fi's into Ui square. So that is 733. Thereafter we can see that here Fi Ui is equal to minus 105 and Fi Ui square is 733. Variance formula is H square in bracket 1 upon n summation over I is equal to 1 to n Fi Ui square and minus 1 upon n summation of Fi Ui whole square. Now plug all the values in this formula. So we will get 15 square in bracket 733 230 minus whole square 1 upon 105, that is in minus upon 230 square, and finally you will get variance 669.93, almost 670. So this was the process that how to calculate variance of continuous frequency distribution. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.